Hi, I am Gabriela Peña. I will be your professor for 1314, 109, and 112. This is just a really quick review on how to access the platform that we're going to be using for class. So when we go to Blackboard, you go to com.edu. When you go to the bottom of that page, there is an icon that says Blackboard. You're going to click on it. I don't know if everybody has used Blackboard or not. I don't know if you're new to the college or not. So this is why I'm explaining all the basics. You're going to go into Blackboard login. Your login is going to be the same one from your email. So if you haven't logged into your email, then it's going to ask for your credentials. But because so here it is. So there's my email, there's my password. So we sign in. Now, when you come into Blackboard, the easiest way to make sure you only see the classes you're in right now, you go to My Courses. Now, this is for Math 1314, sections 109 and 112. But I have combined these two classes together because it's the same thing. And we have created Excel, which is a cross list of 109. It doesn't say 112, but it's for both classes. So you click on here, and I've already put the most important things that you're going to be going through. Well, first of all, we will be having class on Mondays, like I told you in the email where you received a link to this video. To get into your class or the live session at 11 o'clock, you're going to go into Blackboard Collaborative. And if you look here, I've already created the sessions for the first 3 weeks. So here they are. So you're going to click on it a little bit before 11 o'clock or 11 o'clock, whatever time. Now, if for some reason you cannot make the class because you work or you're taking another class, the class will be recorded and it's under this section here called recordings. So when you go here, right now there's nothing obviously because we haven't done anything for the class, but you would find them here. Next thing is email. If you need to email me, you could email your classmates or you can email just the instructor or you can email me and all your classmates if it's necessary. My math lab. If you've never used my math lab, I already put a link there that takes you directly into it. You have to register. Now, the biggest question for class is always, do you need to get a textbook? That is your choice. You could buy the textbook, but you need to make sure whether you get a hard copy of the textbook or not, that you actually do get an access code. That's what you need. So all of your work will be done online, and I'll talk about it a little bit more on Monday. So make sure you attend the live session or you do watch the video. So I'm going to go more into that. If you've never used it, then just wait till Monday. If you don't want to buy a hard copy and you're okay with an electronic version, just buy the access code, and you could do it directly with Pearson. Calendly is, you would click on it. If you want to schedule a meeting, it goes directly into my calendar. So you don't have to send me an email. Even though it says 15 minutes, it's really scheduled like for a good 30 minutes and it's through Zoom. And all you have to do is just click on this. But let's say you want to meet with me on Wednesday. I have those 3 times. On Mondays and Tuesdays, there's 5 times that you can meet with me. So now, if none of these times work with you, then you let me know by email and say, well, you know what? I don't get out of work till 7. Can we meet after 7? And if it's a day where I have nothing else, where I'm teaching another class, I'll be more than happy to meet with you on that day. Now, like I told you, this course, the group here on Blackboard is for both 109 and 112. It's 2 separate classes. You don't have to buy 2 access codes. You only need 1. So if you are in 1314 109, here's your syllabus and here's your access, how to register in case you've never done it. So this is the syllabus and you could open it and it has all the information. Now I'm going to go over this really quickly on Monday also. So when you open it up, it's a class. There's my email. Here's my Google Voice in case you want to call me on my Google Voice, leave a message or send me a text message. Calendly's here. Here's the access code. that you need for the class. And most importantly, here's our schedule. Everything we're covering it per week and when it's due. So here is the very important information. But like I told you, we will talk about it more. If you're taking 13, 14, 112, the syllabus and the registration. Now, the registration, once again, if you've never used Pearson, here it tells you what you have to do. Go here, create student. This is the access code. So then you could work from there. Let me just check something. And there's one more little thing. The dates that we don't hold class. So my plan, depending, is that we will hold class live once a week on Monday. But of course, I'm not going to cover everything for the week on that one day. So I'm going to do it like a Monday, Wednesday class. Monday, we're doing live. Wednesday, I will be posting a video. Now, here I already have the video that you're going to have to watch after we're done Monday with the notes. So in video links, they're going to keep showing up here. So for the syllabus, it said we were covering 1.1, 1.2 for the first week. I'm doing 1.1 and the beginning of 1.2 for class on Monday. And then this is your work for the rest of the week to cover everything that we need to cover. Now, in order for you to see this video, you have to be logged into your COM email. If not, it's not going to let you. And then you're going to get a video where I'm going to be explaining the lesson. And this one's at 35 minutes, so it just depends on what exactly we're covering that day. Sometimes it's 15-minute video, sometimes it's an hour video. It just depends how much material needs to be covered. Now,